where we left out, we are able to create articles. Like as soon as I create article, I am at articles hash create, find me in blah blah blah. So this is basically rendering. What is this rendering? This one, this file, right? Yeah. Is it necessary to show some information that you have the data is created? Huh? Maybe, right? I'll just say maybe. So what I can do is create it. Oh, Salom is gonna miss it. Can you grab him and bring him back? Maybe throw his mobile out. Created successfully. Okay, so what would I have here? Maybe I would show is gone home. Now he's gonna ask again. Okay, link to see all articles, right? And we can have something like articles path here. So I know it is articles path because of this articles index articles underscore path. I'll just keep that, right? I'll just add. So if I refresh this again, what will happen? Go here, I add new, I add title 1, see all articles. There's 1, right? 2, see all article. 2, right? But this is boring. I don't want to have this extra page. I remove this. Okay. Now let me go back to my controller. I am in the controller. If article saves, I don't know what I'll do else. I haven't thought about it. But I can render or redirect to. So where do we want to go after creating? Maybe go back to the index. Okay?
Yeah.
Just re-indent it. How do you guys re-indent the whole file? So like this file is really crappy right now with indentation, right? Okay, never mind that. Let's just continue. Otherwise, you'll be here till 7. Yo, man, pay attention, alright? Ash, Wilson. Okay. So we have this article to redirect to articles path, right? So what do we want to do with this one? Where will it go after creating now automatically? Let's create the third one. Blah 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 blah. Create. Okay, the third one is there, right? But I want some kind of notification. I want some kind of notification if there is something I want to say. Like in the create page we had a big bold letter that said that created successfully, right? But here are we seeing that? No. So I want some kind of information. So I can flash a notice which says created successfully. Okay. Now let's see if it will show me that. Did it show me anything? Nope. Why didn't it? Because there is no place that I am showing the flash. Okay. Now, before I go and discuss like how we can see or show flash, there's another thing to learn. Now we learned about views, right? But do we know about layouts? So okay, under views we have two things. One would be view folders based upon your resources, right? And one would be layouts. So this comes default called application layout. If you take a look at it, it's just HTML head, my new blog, and blah blah blah. You can change the title here, like to be yours, right? This is the basic layout, and this is where your Ruby codes from your business logics would be replaced. Okay. So before that, I want to add. Maybe I want to add it in H3 for now, and I want to have a embedded Ruby there, and I want to show the flash. Okay, now let's see what effect it will bring. If I save this, and if I save this, now title is 5. But it showed created successfully, right? Let's say if I refresh, it goes away. So you guys now know what flash is, right? It saves the value just for one redirection. Okay. So web created, right? And we have listed. Now let's go and see if we can view any. Oh, template is missing. So what I can do, basically add a view, right? Views, articles, modify, add, show.html.erb. So basically I would want to show the title of the article, right? Maybe it should be in a bigger header, right? You guys can make it look good. /p, maybe I want to show who the author is. Article.author. I'll just show the body content. Okay, obviously we can add many like this. Alright, but let's go and take a look back at, oh, there's an error here. Our article controller. Are we doing anything in show? We're not, right?
The closing tag of the key.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. So we want to find the article that is supposed to be shown here. Okay. Now, if you guys remember, when generating the link to show the article, link to article.title, that is what is to be shown, and the path. I'm passing in article, right? Right? So this determines which article is shown. If I see here, I see that an ID is required, right? For us to be able to show, right? Now, let's get here. Let me know if you guys did not get this, okay? It is very important. Now this would find the article ID and assign it to instance variable article, which we would be able to access in the show page here. Okay, so let's see where we would get with this code. Now obviously we might want the link back to all the articles as well, right? So I already showed you how to go back to all the articles, but here is something new. Link to back, that's it. So it is not going anywhere because I refreshed the page, right? But no, not going anywhere. Do I need to do this? I don't think so. Ah, yeah. So check this out. I can go back where I came from. Obviously, you can write the full path as well, right? Of the path for listing the articles. That would be articles underscore path. You guys got this? You guys are following me? Or lost me already? So we may want to edit now. Okay? We may want to edit. How will we be able to edit? Yeah. This one. Okay, but I can't go from here, can I? Now let's say I want to add the edit option in this page, in the show page, in when I'm viewing each individual articles. Okay, if I want to do that, I'll go to the show page and add a link to edit. Maybe like edit this article. Edit articles path, and I will pass in the value of this article instance variable that I have. Now how do I know it is edit articles path? Obviously same thing, article and edit. I want to go with get article slash id slash edit, or use this edit underscore article underscore path, not articles, sorry. Okay, so if I see the show page again, maybe I want to move this here. Yeah, looks better, right? Okay, I want to edit this article. I don't have anything, do I? Now, one way is to check out the article's new thing, right? Copy it. Paste it, save it, refresh it. Go to article controller, find edit, right? You want to be able to find which article it is. So like in show, like we did in show, we can do article dot find params id, right? There's a syntax error somewhere. I think this is
Spelling of article.
article. Nope.
Yeah, just C.
Right? Or like with the convention of Rails, right? Don't repeat yourself. This is a code duplication we have, isn't it? Right? We can remove this. Now, how we can remove this is by deleting this and using something called render partial form. Sorry, I put in slim syntax. Okay, but we do not know what partial is, we do not know which file it is doing, we don't know it yet. So Take a look. Take a look here. So inside views, inside articles, I'm going to create another file called underscore form.html.erb. So the underscore before the name would represent that it is a partial. That means it is not supposed to make a full view, but it's supposed to make a component of a view. So it might be anything, right? So I am opening this. Okay. I'm going to the form we had in new. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. And in new as well, I am going to render the HTML ERB sucks. I'm going to do render partial. So I'm using two syntaxes if you guys notice. Sometimes I will use this kind of syntax, sometimes I will use another kind of syntax. But both basically means the same. Okay, so we still have. So this is the edit, right? So maybe I just want users to know that they're using the edit here. Article edit. I'll just add in a h1. That says editing percentage equals to. Now obviously we have this variable defined in the controller, so it should be available here, right? Article dot title. Now if I do this, okay, now we should be able to edit, I guess, right? Let's say I name it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Check this out. Did we mention to use update? It's automatically knowing that. So it is going to update now, right? Automatically. This one. But we're not doing anything here, are we? Now similar to create, we'll get the things passed in here. Like this. How do I know it will be passed like this? If I take a closer look at the server logs, when passing into articles controllers update action, right? The parameters were it had parameters had article, an article inside that it had ID, right? So I can use if article dot update again allowed article params. What this does, it will grab in those article parameters that we need, right? I want to go to redirect to. Now you guys understood the difference between redirect to and render?
What's the difference?
That's what I'm asking. No? So what render will do is it will not change the URL or make another request to the server. It will just render whatever is to be rendered on the screen. That's it. But redirect to is like sending another request to server to go to somewhere else. Got it? Yeah, I mean, understood?
Yeah.
Wilson, you getting me? Okay. Now I've made some changes to update, like I'm updating it. I'm finding which article to update plus first, right? Using the finder, isn't it? And I'm redirecting it to index, right? So let's do something now. What we are going to do is test first if it will work. If I do this, it should take me to the fourth article show page, right? Edit this article. I wanted to edit this as wow. Update. Cannot find article with ID. Perhaps article ID. Is there something wrong? This apparently came out as blank. Why did it happen? Parameters, article, inside article we should have ID. No, I got it. Sorry. We're just passing it as article, not inside. So we're just passing it as ID. Using the same finder methods. Resend. Oh, sorry. I forgot this. So even the errors are much more meaningful if you take time to read it, right? It will also show you the line where the error is coming from.
I'm sorry guys, I have to leave. Something happened to my wife. I have to
Sorry.
she's something a little thing. So I have to leave.
Is he okay?
Not really, no. So I have to go.
Yeah, I'll send you the links to these videos.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks.
Yeah, maybe we can cover up tomorrow, like if we have time.
Alright, I'll see you guys. Alright.
Okay, so undefined method index URL for articles controller. Did you mean index? It's not understanding what I'm trying to say here, right? So what I can do, articles path, that's it. This should be, isn't it? Now let's see if our edit works. Oh, I messed something up in the form. Looks better though. Nope, doesn't look better at all. Oh, I forgot to close this
Oh, that was
H1 tab. That's why it was looking better. 989898 author something. Yao Min is sleepy always. Sleep. Now I want to edit this article. Sleepy man in Alpha 10. Works?
Yeah.
So only thing we have to cover is delete,
Yeah.
right? Maybe you guys can do it. Would you ever be able to? Maybe just have a link, delete this article here, and, right? So there's a trick to it, deleting. But I hope you guys will be able to Google it.
Google.